Ecology, important multiple choice questions and answers for NEET botany. First question, organism of same species living in an area are called. Right option is population. Organisms of same species living in an area are called population. Second question, submerged rooted hydrophyte with ribbon shaped leaves. Right answer is Vallisneria. Submerged rooted hydrophyte with ribbon shaped leaves is Vallisneria. Third question, suspended hydrophyte leading insectivorous life is. Right answer is Utricularia. Suspended hydrophyte leading insectivorous life is Utricularia. Next question, number 4. Rhizomatous stem is found in this hydrophyte. Right answer is Nymphia. Rhizomatous stem is found in this hydrophyte. Nymphia. Stem is present in the form of rhizome. Question number 5. Rootless free floating primitive tracheophyte is. Right answer is Salvinia. Rootless free floating primitive tracheophyte is Salvinia. Question number 6. Heterophily is seen in. Right answer is 3. Ranunculus. Heterophily is seen in Ranunculus. Question number 7. Hydrophyte showing hydrophily is. Right answer is Vallisneria. Hydrophyte showing hydrophily is Vallisneria. Question number 8. The chief anatomical feature of all hydrophyte is. Right answer is well developed parenchyma, that is third one. The chief anatomical feature of all hydrophyte is well developed parenchyma. Question number 9. Function of epidermis in hydrophyte is. Right answer is fourth. Useful for absorption and assimilation. Function of epidermis in hydrophyte is useful for absorption and assimilation. Question number 10. Cuticle is totally absent in. Four options are there: Hydrilla, Limnophila, Pistia, Utricularia. The right option is 1. That is first one and fourth one. Hydrilla and Utricularia. Cuticle is totally absent in Hydrilla and Utricularia. Question number 11. The xerophyte with non-succulent phylloclades. The right answer is Casuarina. The xerophyte with non-succulent phylloclades. Right answer is first one, Casuarina. Question number 12. A xerophyte with succulent phylloclade is. A xerophyte with succulent phylloclade is. The right answer is Opuntia. A xerophyte with succulent phylloclade is Opuntia. Question number 13. The plant which uses stored water very sparingly during dry periods is. The right answer is aloe vera. The plant which uses stored water very sparingly during dry periods is aloe. That is second option. Question number 14. Choose the correct pair of plants which can withstand prolonged period of drought. The right answer is fourth one, Casuarina and Calotropis. Choose the correct pair of plants which can withstand prolonged period of drought. Casuarina and Calotropis. Question number 15. Water storage tissue is present in the right answer is 2. Opuntia. Question number 16. Monocot in which transpiration is minimized by modified its leaves into reduced membranous structures. The right answer is asparagus. Monocot in which transpiration is minimized by modifying its leaves into reduced membranous structures. Answer is asparagus. 17th question. Arrange the following in descending order based on the number of modifications. Once again, arrange the following in descending order based on the number of modifications. Hibiscus, Casuarina, Gingipus, asparagus. Right answer is 2. 4, 2, 3, 1. That is asparagus, Casuarina, Gingipus, hibiscus. Arrange the following in descending order based on the number of modifications. That is asparagus, Casuarina, Gingipus, hibiscus. Next question number 18. Arrange the following in an ascending order based on the number of leaves at each node. Nerium, Calotropis, Cuscuta, hibiscus. Right answer is third one. 3, 4, 2, 1. That is Cuscuta, hibiscus, Calotropis and Nerium. Arrange the following in an ascending order based on the number of leaves at each node. That is third one. Cuscuta, hibiscus, Calotropis and Nerium. Next question is 19th. A xerophyte where stem, leaf and root are modified in Casuarina, Calotropis, asparagus, Eichhornia. The right answer is fourth one. A and C. Casuarina and asparagus. A xerophyte where stem, leaf and root are modified in Casuarina and asparagus. Question number 20. A is a free floating rootless hydrophyte in which submerged leaves help in absorption. B is a hydrophyte with pulvinous petiole in which submerged roots help in assimilation. Identify A and B plants respectively. The right answer is 3. Salvinia, and Trapa. Next question 21. Plant ecological group modified structures are given in that question. Find the correct combinations. Combination 1, Eichhornia, hydrophyte, root, stem, leaf is modified structures. Asparagus, xerophyte, root, stem, leaves are modified structures. Opuntia, xerophyte, root, stem only modified structures. Pisum, a mesophyte, bracts, floral buds are modified structures. Find the correct combinations. The right answer is fourth one. 3 and 4, asparagus and pisum. The next question is, choose the correct statements. First statement, hydrilla stem is long, slender and flexible. Second one, Erenchyma helps for buoyancy. Third statement, in some xerophyte, shoot system is several times longer than the root system. Fourth statement, multiple epidermis is present in Nerium. Find out the correct statement from above the 4 statements. The right answer is fourth one. 1, 2 and 4 statements are correct. Hydrilla stem is long, slender and flexible. Erenchyma helps for buoyancy. And fourth one, multiple epidermis is present in Nerium. Third statement is wrong. Next question 23. If a Nerium plant consists of 33 leaves on its stem, that is 3 leaves at each node, how many nodes and internodes are present respectively? The right answer is 2. That is 11 and 10. 11 nodes and 10 internodes. Next question, number 24. In xerophytes, following helps to absorb water readily and retain it against evaporation. In xerophytes, following helps to absorb water readily and retain it against evaporation. The right answer is mucilage. Question number 25. Development of succulents with the presence of mucilage is not a xerophytic adaptation in. Answer is Calotropis. That is fourth one. Development of succulents with the presence of mucilage is not a xerophytic adaptation in Calotropis.